Grand awakening, Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Book a really good massage with me. Check out the music, the ebooks. Go ahead and check out the NFTs. Great products are there. Your word of the day is inner beauty, Leo. Do you see the beauty within you? So many people are attracted to you right now because you're intoxicatingly beautiful and your energy just draws us in like honey to a bee. So I want you to actually understand and channel the inner beauty and recognize it as the rest of the world does. Look into the mirror, look into the eyes of your soul, and say, wow, you are very beautiful. You're lighting up the world. That fire is lighting up the world in the path, and we're all following behind you because we all love a beautiful face. We all love a beautiful spirit. I open my eyes and my heart and I direct the gaze to the light within every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man, but beauty is in the goodness and the image of God. And you've channeled to be the image of God. You put in the work, give yourself some credit. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.